Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will be learning about conditional operator. The conditional operator is also known as ternary operator. It is called ternary operator because it takes three arguments. The conditional operator evaluates an expression returning a value if that expression is true and different one if the expression is evaluated a false. So in this program we will see how to use this conditional operator. So I have written one program in which I have declared variables and used conditional operator to find the minimum value among these two variables. So let's see how this works. I have declared three variables. One is a and I have assigned 10 to that a. I have also declared b and assigned 11 value to b, and I have declared one c variable. Now this is the syntax of conditional operator. Conditional operator always returns a value. It takes three arguments. First argument is the condition. Here I have given condition which is a less than b. Now if this condition evaluates true, then part after this question mark will be evaluated, means it will return value a. And if this condition becomes false, then part after this colon will be executed, which will return b in this case. So this return value will be stored in this c. So this is the syntax of conditional operator. First part is the condition, after that question mark, value which will return if condition becomes false, colon, and after expression which will evaluate if condition becomes false. Now I am printing this c, which is the minimum value among these two variables, onto the screen by simple printf statement. So this is the use of conditional operator. If we are using if statement, then code will be 3 or 4 lines, but to find the minimum value we are doing this in only one line. So this is the benefit of conditional operator. Let's run this program and see the output. In the output we can see minimum value is 10. A have 10 value and B have 11, means A is written by the conditional operator and it is displayed onto the screen. So this is about conditional operator. Thank you.